We did a Dev Summit last year in Bangalore. It was very exciting, and so we decided to double down, and we're doubling down in Bangalore and doubling down in the number of participants. We want to do this event very different than usual. We wanted to have it more hands-on. We're going to do a hackathon. We're going to have some interesting interaction. We think this is a great event, not only for developers, but for partners and for the entire community at Guidewire. We have made tremendous progress in the platform and the way that we enable the platform to build extension that could be built by our partner, by our customer. We're looking forward to have all of you in Bangalore in May 2025.